So this video is all about quadrilaterals, and we have looked at this already on our scheme of work, but we're going to go over it again now. So very quickly, these are the quadrilaterals that you will need to remember, and also on this page are some of the properties that we will need to remember as well. So let's just jump in and go straight into our examples. So the first question, list the quadrilaterals that have four sides all the same length. Well, if we go back to our original slide, all the same length, well, of course, the square and the rhombus are the two answers for example 1. In example 2, we need to list the quadrilaterals that do not have two pairs of parallel sides. Well, it's going to be the trapezium and it's going to be the kite. All the others have two pairs of parallel sides. Example 3, which quadrilaterals have diagonals that are perpendicular to one another? Now, if we look at the diagonals of each one of these shapes, let's start to draw them in. Which ones are perpendicular? Well, perpendicular means at 90 degrees, and it doesn't look like the rectangle has diagonals of 90 degrees. Let's now look at the square. Yep, they look like they're 90 degrees, don't they? And they are. Let's carry on with the parallelogram. Are they going to be at 90 degrees? Nope, they do not look like they are. You've got some obtuse angles and some acute angles. On to the rhombus. I think it's fairly obvious that they cross at 90 degrees, so yeah, they are going to be perpendicular. Now, a trapezium can look very different depending on how you draw it, and it's not always the case that they are 90 degrees. Let's just continue and finish this off with the kite, and you can see straight away that the diagonals cross at 90 degrees. So which ones are the correct answers and cross at 90 degrees? That's the square, the rhombus, and of course the kite. They cross at 90 degrees. That's all you need to access the work. Good luck!